If you need to recover your Gmail account, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the fastest and safest way to get back in. This guide is perfect if you forgot your password, lost access to your phone, or just can't sign into your account right now. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to begin the process. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for your email address or phone number. Type in your Gmail address carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes. After that, click Next. Google will now begin verifying that you're the real owner of the account. Depending on your situation, you may be shown a few different recovery options. For example, Google may send a code to your recovery phone number, a code to your recovery email address, or a notification to your trusted Google prompt on a device where you're already signed in. Use whichever option is available to you. If you receive a verification code, enter it exactly as shown. Make sure you check your messages carefully and type the numbers in the correct order. If Google asks you to confirm on another device, follow the prompt and approve the sign-in request there. If you're asked more security questions, answer them as accurately as possible. In some cases, Google may ask you to create a new password before you can continue. If that happens, choose a strong password that you have not used before. Try to make it unique, secure, and easy for you to remember. Once you save the new password, Google may sign you out of other devices for security, which is completely normal. After that, go back to Gmail and sign in again using your email address and your new password. If everything went through successfully, you should now be back inside your account and able to access your emails, contacts, and Google services again. If the first recovery option doesn't work, don't panic. Just continue following the recovery steps Google shows you on screen. Sometimes Google will offer an alternate method, and in many cases, using a device, browser, or location you've used before can help improve your chances of recovery. The most important thing is to keep following the prompts carefully and only use official Google recovery pages, and that's how you recover a Gmail account step by step. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back into your account.